All right, guys, this isn't just a prep. This is a complete solution to utilizing your Starlink system, engineered from the ground up based on our customer feedback. In Model G, we're gonna give you 2 different locations that you can actually plug your Starlink into. One is gonna be up on the roof on the exterior of the unit, and the other is going to be on the off-door campsite utility center. And one thing I do want to point out to you guys is that all of the wiring on this is going to be centrally located in a high point of your coach. So whether you decide to use the tripod system or use the roof-mounted Starlink system, either of those are going to connect into your router on the interior here above your kitchen cabinet. Not only does this give you the ability to utilize all of your kitchen countertop space, but because of the location of this port, it'll give you optimal campsite signal and coverage. For more information on the Model G, visit our website at brinkley.rv.com, and happy camping.